Welcome to Useful Needful. In this video, we're going to discuss about a new recruitment from Center of Innovative and Applied Bioprocessing. This is an autonomous institution under Department of Biotechnology under Ministry of Science and Technology. Okay, this is situated in Punjab, Mohali. So the advertisement is related to administrative and technical staff. Total 3 posts. The last date is March 2nd of 21. And the main important thing is there is no online application process. You have to fill the hard copy and you have to send. In addition to this, they clearly mentioned to send an email to them about the details. I will discuss here now. So stores and purchase officer, this is unreserved post. The age limit is 40 years. This is a level 11 post. For this, MBA or graduate with diploma in material management from a recognized university is required with a minimum of 5 years of experience if it is in level 10 and 8 years of experience if it is of level 7 in central government or state government or equal institutions. Deputation also available. Officers of same central government, state government holding same post having 5 years of regular service in level 10 or having 8 years of experience in level 10, level 7. Candidate should possess the educational qualification required for direct recruitment, which means MBA or the diploma is to be there for deputation post also. Okay, second post is senior technical assistant. This is under biotechnology, biochemistry or food science technology. This is an OBC post. So people who are belongs to OBC only can apply. And the age limit is 33. This 33 already includes that OBC 3 years. So total normally its age limit is 30. Because of OBC post they are already increased 3 years. So you should not increase 3 more years. This is level 6 post. For this, MSc or ME, MTech in biochemistry or food technology or food science is required. Experience is just 1 year. If you have 1 year, sufficient. Third one is senior technical assistant, microbial and enzyme bioprocessing. This is unreserved post. The age limit is 30 years. This is also level 6 post. Similar to above post, MSc, ME, MTech in biotechnology, bioprocess technology, microbiology, biochemistry is required. Experience is 1 year is sufficient. And another thing is the applications received against advertisement would be screened by a screening shortlisting committee for the same. There will be a committee that will shortlist these things. And they mentioned about shortlisting. Another thing is they mentioned about written test or interview for the post, and for the position senior technical assistant selection will be made through written or skill test. For two second and third post they mentioned written test or skill test. For the first one they mentioned about written test or interview. Okay. Next, the screening or selection committee would make a decision as the number of candidates. That is their wish. They will shortlist the number of people according to their requirement. If there is no suitable person found, they can cancel the post. Higher standards also can be set if it is required to shortlist. And fulfillment, these are normal regular procedures. Next, we go through general conditions. The last date again they clearly mentioned 02/03/21, and all experience, age limit, qualifications and all will be calculated as on the date. So you have to take care about that. There is no upper age limit for those employees who are under Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. And remaining are normal. In addition to the 7th pay commission, they will pay about DA, HRA, transport allowance as per government rules. NPS scheme will be applicable as like others. Probation period is 2 years. That is again important thing. That will be extended as it's a normal rules. Next, application must be complete in all respects. The partial applications will not be considered. Next, the application must be submitted as per format given. They mentioned a format. We have to fill in that format only. Another important thing is if you are already working in somewhere, so you have to submit NOC or you have to send through proper channel. However, you can send an advance copy. But at the time of written test or interview, you must produce NOC or through proper channel. If you send, it's okay. And another important thing is pay production will be considered as per Government of India rules. If you are already working as a government employee, your pay will be protected according to government rules. You have to send all certificates, self-attested copies. So you have to sign on all Xerox papers before sending them. Similarly, cash certificate, if any applicable, you have to apply. You have to sign on the cash certificate also, the Xerox copies. Another important thing is the exam fee. That is for general candidates for serial number 1 post, it's 590. For SC, ST, OBC, women, PWD, it's 354 rupees. For senior technical officer, it's a technical assistant, it's 118 rupees only. This post is reserved for OBC. Once again, I'm telling, so others cannot apply for this post. For the position 3, it is general candidates 354 rupees and SC, ST, OBC, it's 118 rupees. The application fee, to pay the application fee, they clearly gave one link on this application notification itself. You have to click on this link to pay the amount. You have to attach this payment slip along with your all other applications and certificates. And again, another important thing is to and fro second class rail fare will be provided to the people who are coming for the interview, which means the second level post, second level of exam, and this is applicable only for the first post only. And there is no interview to group C post, as I mentioned. And when it comes to remaining all our normal points, when again the application in the prescribed format which is available at the institute website, heading vacancies, you have to go to the vacancies tab and accompanied by attested copies of certificates, testimonials, all these things you have to attach. And the address they given is, here you can see, the Administrative Officer, Center of Innovative and Applied Bioprocessing, Sector 81, Knowledge City, PO, Post Office Manoli, SAS Nagar, Mohali, 140306, Punjab. You have to mention on the application saying that application for the post of, you mention the post for which you are applying. That post itself has to reach before 02/03/2021. Okay. And here again they mentioned you have to attach one MS Excel sheet along with these things. That Excel sheet you have to email to recruitment@ciap.rec.in. To this you have to send the MS format also they given. Please go through that. Application will be received on normal working days only. Interim inquiry will not be entertained. If you have any doubts, you just email. Don't try to call. That things will be provided. If you have any doubts regarding this recruitment, please mention in comment section. We will try to clear it. Thank you from viewers. Ramji, useful, needful.